Because of the excellent performance of the Convair Liner, United States military services selected it for a variety of tasks. This is the T-29A, or Flying Classroom. Training navigators is serious business. These are the men who will be responsible for guiding Air Force planes to destinations the world around. The versatility of the airplane permits training operations and training equipment installations comparable to tactical airplanes. The airplanes are designed for overall continuous and realistic training for flight and crew personnel. Comfort, adequate room for instruction and teaching, and learning aids have been considered in the development of these airplanes. The application to various training uses results in greater utilization and increased mobility of training command equipment. The working crew of the ship consists of the pilot, co-pilot, crew chief, and 14 students. All modern methods of dead reckoning, celestial navigation, radar navigation, and LORAN may be taught in this trainer. The equipment used is similar to the types installed in tactical bombers, transports, and troop carriers in current operation, including high-speed types. New or improved equipment may be installed in the trainer on the production line or at modification centers, as such equipment is developed and put into operational use. With today's airplanes flying faster, farther, and higher, the navigation of an aircraft is a vital operation. The T-29 Flying Classroom gives the student practical in-flight training. With the help of the latest electronic aids and other equipment used for in-flight computation, the final course and flight pattern is in the hands of the navigator. In addition to the various types of radar, navigational, and computing equipment, other T-29s are equipped with a ground position indicator and bomb-scoring camera for training navigator bombardiers. The T-29 airplanes have the same configuration as the Convair Liner and are pressurized for high-altitude operation. They have increased fuel capacity in the wings for sustained training missions at speeds comparable to some bombardment airplanes. This makes it possible to simulate in-training combat conditions. The training of bombardiers plays an important role in our national defense system and requires a continuous training program by the United States Air Force. After students have been through their schooling in the flying classroom, they are ready for assignment in airplanes like this B-36. Just prior to the actual drop, the bombardier takes over the control of the airplane for the bombing run. The many hours of patience, skill, and training all add up to one thing: a man trained to do a job and do it right. The use of the Convair Liner provides a large reserve of aircraft which may be transferred to the logistic command for transport use in an emergency. Another version is the cargo or military transport, designed for multiple use. A large hydraulic door, 6 by 8 feet, on this airplane permits easy loading of heavy equipment. Some transports are equipped with even larger doors, depending on the job to be done. The airplane has an exceedingly low replacement and repair rate and minimum spares requirements. It has a sturdy floor designed for a standard 20 by 20 inch cargo tie-down grid pattern. The entire fuselage is pressurized to 4 1600 pounds per square inch. Airplane accessibility permits rapid and easy servicing. Ground handling time and personnel are reduced by convenient loading and handling features. Another of the modified versions is the C-131B, a flying electronic test bed. 2 turbo generator pods slung from the underside of the plane are its distinguishing feature. One turbo generator develops alternating current and the other direct current with an output of 600 amps. The current is used to activate various pieces of electrical equipment to carry out practical experiments under flight conditions. Some foreign countries are also using military versions of the Convair Liner. The ability of the airplane to take off with a short run and from small airfields with a rapid rate of climb is a big advantage. This is the R4Y, produced for the United States Navy. It can readily be adapted to serve as a passenger or cargo transport and as a trainer or evacuation airplane. It is backed by the enviable safety, service, and operations records of Convair liners and training airplanes. The Flying Samaritan, or hospital version, is the C-131A. Working together with helicopter rescue crews trained to carry out their jobs with speed and efficiency, it provides an important link in the rescue of sick or wounded personnel. Rapid evacuation pays off in lives saved. The C-131A has proved to be an ideal airplane for this work, especially where short takeoffs and landings are necessary to get in and out of tight places. The airplane has a pressurized cabin and carries a crew of 5: pilot, co-pilot, radio operator, and 2 medical attendants. This allows room for 12 litter and 18 ambulatory cases. Military planes, evolved from the basic design of an established transport like the Convair Liner, have the advantage of confirmed aerodynamic design, established structural integrity, demonstrated equipment reliability, and proven service with maintenance simplicity. Convair liners are widely acclaimed by the men who fly them. Millions of passenger miles have been flown by domestic airline companies as well as many international users. Around the clock, around the world, 24 hours a day, Convair liners are in the sky. They are flying all types of missions for the United States military services and allied air commands. They play an important role in the defense of our country, carrying supplies, performing training missions, and transporting military personnel to far-flung air bases. Smooth, safe, and dependable, whatever their task, wherever they fly.